I'm gonna try it. Hey, yo, we got the buffalo chicken quesadilla with french fries on the side, some ketchup with ranch. Oh my goodness. We're sitting right in front of Somerville Main Street, enjoying the traffic. Oh my goodness, the buffalo sauce with the tomatoes. Packs so much flavor. Nice and cheesy with popcorn chicken, light buffalo sauce. Yo, these french fries are bussin' with the ranch. Quesadilla is delicious. I'm gonna sit here, devour these french fries, devour this quesadilla. See you guys outside. Yo, I just left. What an experience that was. Somerville, New Jersey, Main Street on a Monday. Chicken quesadillas, some french fries, a little cream soda. I've never had orange cream soda before, so that was definitely a treat. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I appreciate it. Like, comment, share, subscribe.
You already know the business.
Peace.